Ever since I was a kid, I wanna run up all these M's. I do it by myself cause I don't really need no friends. Wake up, chase this bag, ain't no sleep, do it again. All these niggas hating on me nowadays, it's just a trend. These bitches be fugazi, say they love you for pretend. Hey, what is good, YouTube? It's KG Entertainment, and we back with another motherfucking banger video. You feel me? You know the vibes already. If y'all haven't already, subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you have any other suggestions or ideas. Y'all can see by the title that I'm gonna be showing y'all how to lace Jordan 11s because the Gratitude 11s just came out, so I know y'all probably want to get y'all's laced up. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it in this video. I'm not gonna take too long. I already took the laces out as well because I want this video to be quick. And this is Vlogmas what? 11 and 12. I'm sorry I've been putting them together. I can't do the whole 25 days. That shit's just crazy. So I'll be putting them together, but I still be consistent. So let's get into this thing. So for the shoe that I'm gonna use is the Concord 11s. And the laces is right here. So you first start off. You already know with the bottom. Okay, there we go. In the front, and you pull it up like how I always do in my other lace videos, so that it's aligned with each other. So when it hits like this, and you even pull it, and it still hit like it's aligned, then you know that your lace gonna be straight. Bottom, like how you did with the first one. Pull it, push in, pull it, and then make it a little loose as you do it. And I'm gonna show y'all one more time, then I'm gonna fast forward it. Same way, grab your other one, put it in here. Yeah, y'all keep doing it just like that. And it's gonna get laced up. This is how it got laced up. And now with the ends, you could do two things. You could either have it hanging like this. Hold on. Y'all can have it hanging just like this. Or y'all could tie the end. Y'all could have it like this. And yeah, that's the two ways to lace Jordan 11s. Without further ado, it's KG Entertainment. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said from before. If you didn't subscribe, your mama's a whore. And yo, keep subscribing. Get me to 600 real soon. And we out here. It's KG Entertainment. And we out here, man.